Light, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And the following counties in Wisconsin: Kenosha, Rock, and Waller. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That stop thing again. Holy cow! So those are the skies south, or are they west? I think that, yeah, these are south, I'm pretty sure. Never supposed to do a firework because the severe thunderstorm watch got issued. Holy cow, that was crazy. To the fact that it was until 12:15. What? To watch right there. Oh my god. I even got that on there. Well, anyways, bye. Wait, and bye.